welcome to this quick little session on using specialty blocks and how to use the allow block. What's neat about the allow block is that it allows you to build in an immutable world above wherever you place these blocks. So if you have an immutable world, which means a world that you cannot kind of destroy and build stuff in, it's meant to be almost like a view-only touring type world. But you can give little spots for people or students to work in that world. So by creating these allow blocks, it provides these spaces. You can bury them underneath things. It just works above. So that's what's great, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to use just a flat area, and we'll go ahead and get an allow block, and I'll show you how that works. All right, so normal blocks of grass area, nice and flat to work with. I'm going to select E and type in allow to bring my allow blocks. There it is. It's a construction block. It's going to be right there for you. Holding down Shift and click on it. If you're using a touch screen, of course, you could just touch and drag, or touch and then touch the hotbar. So now it's in slot number 1. I'm holding it and I try to place it and nothing happens. Because it's considered a world building block, you have to change your status as world builder. So type in / on your keyboard, then type in W for world and B for builder. Once you hit enter, you'll notice your world builder status is updated to true on the command line. You'll see on the top left, and now you'll be able to place the block. So I can place them anywhere I want, and I placed them on ground. Let me dig a couple areas here and place them there. So you can see all sorts of things. I'll go even deeper and put them underneath this one, so you can see kind of all spots. I don't know if you noticed there, a quick little tip is you can use the middle button, or you can create a key to select any block that you see. So I just got the grass block real quick. All right, so now I have these items. So since I'm in world builder status, true, I can build anywhere, so it wouldn't matter. So now I'm going to switch back, and now it says false. And now I can grab anything. So let's just grab something like some wool to build on top. Let's grab this yellow. All right, and now I can build on top of here, but I can also build there. So like, well, what's the big deal? How do these allow blocks really work? It's when you change your world to a mutable world is going to be the difference. So there's a quick way to do that without going to your settings, although you could. I'll show you both ways. One way is to do / and start typing immutable. If you do just /im and just hit your tab, it's going to put it in there. And now, see how it said false? So I have to do space and then true. Now, immutable world equals true. Ah, look at that. I could apply any block on top, but when I try to apply it in other places, it gives me this black box. Remember, this was the part underground. Here's the other one. Now I try to do it next to it, no go. Here I try to do it to the side, no go. Let's try going underneath. Oh, I can't even destroy underneath, because remember, I'm in a mutable world, so I'd have to build above it. There we go. You can also, once you build above it, it allows you to build as high as you need to. So it doesn't have to be directly on the block. So let's go back here and kind of take a look. And there you go. So remember, on the left here, this was on blocks that we couldn't see. This one, now you can tell I can see it. So I'm just building right above it. And then this was above the surface. So that's the quick little tutorial on how to build with allow blocks.